ordering. So for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo is ESD Brush. Anti-static ESD SAFE plastic brush. Brushes minimize static charge generation and dissipate ESD charges to ground when held by grounded personnel. Dissipative polypropylene black handles are able to remove charges to ground. Resistance of conductive fibres 10E3-10E4 ohms. Resistance of dissipative handle 10E5-10E8 ohms. Firm bristles are mainly for electronics, especially circuit boards. Bristles are a mix of conductive synthetic yarn and horsehair. The handle of the anti-static electronic brush is made of conductive polypropylene handles and conductive fibers consisting of 40% polypropylene, 45% polyamide, and 15% carbon fiber. And its brush is made of anti-static plastic and horse or pig hair. Such brush has the features of anti-static stable performance and easy to use. The removal of the dust and dirt on the surface of PCB plate and sensitive parts can discharge the static electricity to the ground. These brushes avoid any static build-up and existing charges are reduced more effectively if operators are grounded. Resistant to high temperature, soft bristle. Remove static of computer and program control exchanger to protect equipment. Remove static before check and commission electronic products and boards. Remove static before expert package of electronic products. Use for package and connection of whole machine. Remove dust and static of material in warehouse. Used for incoming examination of prepackage of SSD elements. ESD Brush toothbrush style. GJ928 small. Cross reference code WT-01. Length of the body 174 mm. Brush head dimension about 15 mm. Height by 31 mm, length by 9 mm width. Next, GJ925 medium. Cross ref code 177114 BC-3620 ABB-520 KS-211. Length of the body 180 mm. Brush head dimension about 16 mm. Height by 36 mm. Length by 9.5 mm width. Next, GJ922 large. Cross reference code 177113 BC-3621 ABB-302 WT-02. Length of the body 175 mm. Brush head dimension about 15.5 mm. Height by 58.5 mm. Length by 9.5 mm width. So next, ESD Brush paintbrush style. GJ920 version 1. Cross reference code WT-04 ABB-511. Length of the body 131 mm. Brush head dimension about 17. Height by 17 length by 5 width mm. Next, ESD Brush Paintbrush Style. GJ920 version 2. Cross-reference code EBB-306 BC-3618. Length of the body 123 mm. Brush head dimension about 19 length by 30 height by 5 width millimeter. ESD brush, toothbrush time. ESD brush use style. GJ927. It's large. Cross-reference code W-06 EBB-305. Brush head dimension about 67 length by 33 width by 20 height millimeter. Full size equals 90 millimeter. Next, ESD brush pen type. GJ-911. 1.8 by 0.4 centimeter. Brush size is structure round handle for easy and comfortable grip. Next, ABB 317 ESD. Cross-reference code BC-3623. ESD SAFE CONDUCTIVE brush, medium size, good for cleaning benches and other larger surfaces. Will not generate the charges during cleaning process. 133 by 5 by 33 mm, 17 row by 1 row. Length 255 mm. Bristle length 33 mm. Plus ESD brush GJ09. Specification: PP conductive brush handle, PA plastic fiber brush, bristle. Color black. Soft brush application, clean and protect component, which is easy to scratch. Length 175 mm. Bristle 1 by 12. Bristle length 2.6 cm. So, what is the use of ESD brush?
ESD brushes are also known as ESD SAFE brushes, are designed to protect electronic components during manufacturing, repair, cleaning, and assembly processes. They are made from antistatic materials that do not generate a charge when rubbed against other materials. There are several types of ESD brushes, each designed to cater to specific needs and applications. These include ESD SAFE brush applicators, ESD flux brushes, ESD general purpose brushes, and ESD strip brushes. ESD SAFE brush applicators, for instance, are usually used to apply ESD coatings or other materials that require a brush for application. ESD brushes are used to remove any existing static charge and clean many different types of electronic components. For example, they can be used for removing plugs from PCB, which is important to prevent low voltage. ESD brushes have plastic bristles that are either conductive or static dissipative, so they can be used when working with electronic components or cleaning delicate circuit boards.
How are ESD brushes used to remove static charge and clean electronic components?
ESD brushes are used to remove static charge and clean electronic components in a few ways. First, static dissipation. ESD brushes are made from conductive or static dissipative materials. When these brushes come into contact with charged components, they provide a path for the static electricity to flow to ground, thereby neutralizing the charge and preventing static discharge, which can damage sensitive electronic components. Second, physical cleaning. ESD brushes are used to physical cleaning electronic components and circuit boards. They can remove dust, dirt, and other contaminants that can interfere with the operation of the components. This is done by gently brushing the surfaces of the components. Third, chemical cleaning. ESD brushes can also be used to apply or remove chemical cleaners such as flux removers from electronic components. The brushes can get into small spaces and crevices that might be difficult to reach otherwise. Fourth, prevention of new static charge. Because of their conductive or static dissipative properties, ESD brushes do not generate a new static charge when they are rubbed against other materials. This helps to prevent the accumulation of static electricity, which can be harmful to electronic components. Remember, when using an ESD brush, it's important to use it in conjunction with other ESD control measures, such as wearing an ESD wrist strap, using an ESD mat, and working in a static-free environment. This will ensure the most effective static control and protection for your electronic components.
So guys, ito ang ating mga ESD brush. So guys, pa-subscribe naman ang aming YouTube channel. Yun lang, maraming salamat.